What's up, guys? I am out here at Mount Rainier National Park in Washington, and that behind me is a mountain. This place is amazing. You can barely see it, but like right up there, there's like cars driving. That's super scary. Alright, so I kept getting sidetracked because this park is so beautiful, but I finally arrived to the place, one of the places on my list, one of the few places on my list, because I don't really know what I'm doing. This place is called the Trail, or the Grove of the Patriarchs, and apparently there's some really great trees. I don't know where they're at, but I'm just going to keep following this trail and get to them. Yo, this bridge feels like it's just gonna break at any second. I might die right here. Videos don't even do this justice. These trees are huge. We don't know what kind of tree this is, but I can fit inside of it. And that's awesome. Just gonna go deeper